All right, back with the MHC, the Manitoba Hunting Challenge. I'm just gonna throw on some quick and dirty DIY camo and then get this thing in the water this week. I've got 4 different colors of camo coat here, and you could probably just use 3 or maybe even 2. But I think the key thing is to make sure you use a flat or a matte finish. Now we get to have a little more fun. Try to break up that pattern with some grass and some weeds and maybe some branches we'll just throw on there. And we'll just put a lighter color onto the dark areas and a darker color onto the lighter areas, and it should give it a nice 3D effect. All right, there's the finished product for the camo. You can see that. I think it's all right. I don't know, breaks it up at least, if nothing else. So that's finished product. Brooksy. Okay, launch day. Put that little barrel back in. It's a hot one today. I had some comments. I posted this on a DIY duck flying group on Facebook, and I had some comments come back. I don't have enough barrels, but we're gonna go with 5, right or wrong. These barrels are supposed to support 450 pounds each. That's when they're fully submerged, so I think it's gonna be fine. But like I said, this is what we're going with. So I've got them all silicone and flex sealed. Remember that flex seal guy? Always wanted to try that stuff. So we'll see how it works. See if it's as good as the commercial says it is. All right, I'll show you guys where we're gonna dump it in. We actually irrigate potatoes out of this slough. So we've got a pump site right here. This has been dug out by a backhoe. So this is gonna be the spot. And then once you go up in there, there's a little channel that just goes around the corner out to a great big opening out in that direction. So maybe I'm being a little overly optimistic, but I don't know. At this point, it is what it is. Kind of a steep drop off. Okay, we rolled her into position. You gotta take these off. Dump her in. It's not gonna be graceful. Flex seal guy. See if this baby's gonna float. Okay, don't let me down, baby. I know that's steep, but come on. Come on. Get down. Get down in there. Oh, that's steep, boy. Now go. Be free. Hell yeah. Too excited! Whoa. See a little tippy. Yeah, she's a little tippy, that's for sure. I'm gonna have to look at some anchors. Maybe a trolling motor. I mean, it's more sturdy than like a canoe would be, right? This thing ain't gonna tip. You might fall off it though if you're standing up quick. I love it. I do love it. Here we go. Brooks, you coming? Ready to go, Brooks?